Today I'm sharing a simple recipe for clear pumpkin soup with watercress. It is sweet and very flavorful, suitable as a side dish for the family dinner. First, pluck 350 grams of young watercress leaf. Usually, I will only use the young leaves and stems. The big and thick stems are too fibrous and are hard to chew. Once done, wash and leave aside. Next, scrape off the seed from 400 grams of pumpkin. I am using a quarter pumpkin sold at the market, so I am removing the edges from both sides. Then wash and clean it properly before cutting it into half and into wedges. Slice off the skin and cut into small cubes. Each cube is about 1 centimeter in length. Marinate 170 grams of pork shoulder slices with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Leave it aside. In a soup pot, add 2 liters of water along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1½ tablespoon of oyster sauce, and all the pumpkin cubes. Stir to combine the seasoning with the soup. Cover the pot and boil it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the soup is starting to boil. Add in all the marinated pork shoulder slices and stir to ensure they are separated. Let the soup cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Let's check if the pumpkin is soft when pressed with a spoon. Alright, the spoon goes through the pumpkin easily. Add 150 grams of lobster balls, 120 grams of seafood tofu, and 50 grams of white shimeji mushroom. Give it a stir. To ensure they are all well cooked, cover the pot and continue cooking for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously and is well cooked. Give it a taste. It's very sweet and flavorful. More seasoning can be added if preferred, but for this, it's delicious. Lastly, add in all the watercress. If it is too much, submerge half before adding the rest in. Stir to make sure that they are evenly distributed in the soup. As watercress only needs a short time to cook, the residual heat from the soup is sufficient. Cover the pot and cook for 1 more minute or until the soup starting to boil vigorously again. Alright, it's ready. Switch off the heat. And the clear pumpkin soup with watercress is done. Let's dish it out carefully and serve. Let's eat. So good. It's so sweet from the watercress. There is a light creamy flavor from the pumpkin with a subtle tastiness from the pork and seafood tofu. It's a perfect dish for a clean soup diet. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.